was unfamiliar. Literally, I was thinking that how will I spend 2 years with you all? But I was wrong. I was really wrong. Because today I realized that it seems I just joined the school and now it's very early to leave you all. This journey has been possible only and only because of your support. So, I would like to express my gratitude towards our teachers. With their charm and charisma, they always influenced us to do better in their subjects as well as in life. Nextly, and the most heartily, I would like to thank my classmates and juniors for making me a part of their mischievous lesson. Thank you all for planting a seed of frankishness in me. I want to thank each and every member of our DAV family for making this journey a very special and memorable one. Thank you all.